Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: admin access, chosen conversion type, and tagging method. Open Google Ads and go to Tools Conversions. Click the plus to create a new action. Choose type, website, app, phone call, or import, and name it clearly so reporting stays usable. Set value rules if transactions vary. Once done, select a tracking method. Google Tag Manager for cleaner deployment, or install the global site tag directly in your site header to capture events. Now configure tags and specific conversion events. If using the global site tag, paste base code on every page and add the event snippet on the conversion confirmation page. If using Tag Manager, create a new tag type Google Ads conversion tracking, connect your conversion ID and label, then create triggers for the exact event like form submission or purchase. Make sure conversion windows and attribution settings reflect your sales cycle, so reported conversions match real behavior. To finish, verify the setup and monitor initial data. Use Tag Assistant or Tag Manager Preview to confirm the tag fires on the conversion page, then check Google Ads conversion diagnostics and real-time reports. Allow a 24-48-hour delay for data to stabilize. If conversions are missing, make sure no consent banner blocks scripts, confirm ID and labels match, and that triggers are not too restrictive. If problems persist, simplify to a single test conversion and rerun diagnostics to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.